Welcome to my channel. Today I am tell you that in Australia how you get free insurance in Australia. Health insurance in Australia. Find health insurance in Australia across the web, wiki, news and more 100 plus. Health insurance in Australia delivery and her epidemic at the public facilities were free. Australia is still figuring out what role private health insurance should serve. Does Australia have free healthcare? Australia runs on a blend of public and private healthcare. The public system, known as Medicare, not to be confused with America's medical program, provides essential hospital treatment, doctor appointments, and medicines for free or for substantially reduced cost. Healthcare for expensive in Australia. Does for foreigner get free healthcare in Australia? Medicare provide free or subsidized healthcare cover for all Australian citizens and most permanent resident. How much does it cost to see doctor in Australia without insurance? If you are not registered in insurance, then Australia's doctor cost as under: doctor consultation fee $50, Medicare schedule fee $36.30, Medicare rebate to patient 100% of schedule fee $36.30, out of pocket expensive to patient $13.70. Who is the cheapest health insurance in Australia? The cheapest health insurance in ACT and New South Wales is Frank Basic Plus 5000 access with a $500 access. The cheapest policy in Victoria, Western Australia and Tasmania is AHM Starter Basic with $750 access. Who What is the age limit for moving to Australia? 45-year-old. What is the age limit to immigrate to Australia? The age limit to immigrate to Australia is 45-year-old. If you are age of over 45, the only way to immigrate permanently is by investment or marriage. What's good salary in Australia? A person working in Australia typically earn around 90,800 Australian dollar per year. Salaries range from 23,000 Australian dollar lowest average to 4 lakh 5,000 Australian dollar highest average. Actual maximum salary is higher. This is average yearly salary including housing, transport and other benefit. Do I have to pay for hospital in Australia? Public hospital healthcare is free to all Australian citizens and most permanent residents of Australia. Private health insurance gives you the choice to treatment in private or public hospital and choose your doctor. Do I need medical insurance to travel to Australia? Generally, you don't need to hold health insurance to be granted a visitor or business visitor visa for Australia. However, overseas visitor health cover OVHC means you can enjoy your trip knowing your health insurance will help pay for the essential treatment you are most likely to need in Australia. Does Australia have NHS? Whilst the Australian system is far from perfect, Medicare has remained as Australia's flagship universal health provider to this day, and the NHS has a lot of learn from the way it operates. Is Medicare free? Most people get part for free, but some have to pay a premium for this coverage. To be eligible for premium free part, an individual must be entitled to receive Medicare based on their own earning or those for spouse, parent, or child, etc. Is emergency treatment free in Australia? If you are an Australian citizen and have your Medicare card with you, you your car your care in emergency department will be free. If you don't have Medicare card or not eligible for medicine and Medicare, you will be charged for service provider. For citizens of those countries, emergency department treatment is free. What is not covered by Medicare? Some of items and services Medicare does not cover include long-term care, also called custodial care, most dental care, eye exams related to prescription glasses. What happens if I don't have private health insurance in Australia? The Medicare levy surcharge is a tax you pay if you don't have private health cover and your annual taxable income is over $90,000 as a single or $180,000 as a couple or family. The surcharge is payable for each day you don't have private health insurance within a financial year. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming new videos.